Hello, freelancers. Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to Infopreneur, India's premier one-stop localization service provider. Infopreneur has built a solid reputation for their top-notch localization services. To start your freelance journey with Infopreneur, simply head over to their website and click on the Careers button. This will take you to a page dedicated to all the information and procedures for applying as a linguist. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.